Question yedu yakati iyo simplify a the square root of 27 times the square root of 50. Chatinotanga kuita panapa, we express the square root of 27 and also the square root of 50 in third form. Saka tinozoita sei. Let us work a. We have the square root of 27 multiplying the square root of 50. Saka we have to rewrite 27 tichimultiply two numbers, but we should be careful sekutsanangura kwatakaita in our classes pataidiskasa masads kuti one of the two numbers we are multiplying should be a perfect square. Saka iyi kana takuinyora pasi panapa, instead of writing the square root of 27 tinenge takuti the square root of 9 times 3. Then tikatarisa 9 na 3 tinoona kuti 9 is a perfect square nepamusana pekuti 3 times 3 is equal to 9, kana kuti the square root of 9 is equal to 3 rather. We are going to multiply this with what? We are multiplying this with, instead of 50, takuti 25 times 2. Panapa umwe aigona kuti 10 times 5. Let me write it panapa. Let us say kuti rather what iwewe wa replace 50 na 10 times 5. Hazviite zvinezvi because both 10 na 5 they are not perfect squares. We do not have the square root of 10. We also do not have the square root of 5. Saka that won't work. So I was just illustrating panapa. Tadaro manje takuya panapa tinogona edu kuisa brackets. No, let us not do that. But tinogona kuzviita to solve iyi takaisa brackets kuitira kuti separate in this one. Saka panapa we now have the square root of 9 multiplying the square root of 3 times the square root of 25 multiplying the square root of 2. Tachoose 25 times 2. Pamusana pekuti 25 is a perfect square. The square root of 25 is 5. That's why tisina kuchoose 10 times 5 kana 50 times 1. Tadaro manje takuya panapa takuti isusu the square root of 9 is 3. Saka it's now 3 times the square root of 3 multiplying the square root of 25 is 5. So it's 5 times the square root of 2. Ino iyi kana takuita simplify further inenge yava chi 3 root 3 multiplying 5 root 2 like this. Then sezvataurwa nebhuku redu kana tasvika apa zvifangokutinetsa, what we do is we multiply numbers on their own. Saka tinotora manumber zvaari, it's 3 times 5 times we multiply square roots on their own. So it's the square root of 3 times the square root of 2. Saka panapa 3 times 5 is 15. 15 is going to multiply what? 15 is going to multiply panapa, instead of the square root of 3 times the square root of 2, inenge yava chi the square root of 3 times 2. If you don't understand zvaitika panapa, it means you have to revisit my lessons atakaita on SADS. We explained that sufficiently kuti chii chinenge chaitika, but for those who just want to be reminded, takataura isusu tichiti the square root of a times b is equal to the square root of a times the square root of b. Saka zvangoitika apa ndezvekuti paitika a reverse. Okay, so this is equal to 15 multiplying, of course, the square root of 6, 3 times 26. So our final answer is going to be 15 root 6. That is how we do it. Saka, if I am to just give a short summary of the working yataita panapa, maybe kuti zvive cemented in your minds. Chekutanga ndechekuti we have to express in third form. express in sad form. Daftarisisa ndo step ino ishi. Saka taexpressa in sad form tinosvika panapa apa. Then panapa we multiply like terms. We multiply like terms. And saka ta collecta manamba ega kama multiplier, collecta ma square roots ega kama multiplier. Then kana ta multiply kudaro, we get to our final answer. So let us look at B.